Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to configure a cookie notice notification using Notification X to keep your website compliant and engaging for visitors. First, make sure you have installed and activated the Notification X plugin on your WordPress site. From the WordPress dashboard, navigate to the Notification X dashboard. Click the Add New button, add a notification title, select notification type as Cookie Notice, source as GDPR, and click Next. Select a theme design from the multiple options in the light or dark theme, and choose the position of the cookie notice. Toggle on the button to enable the advanced design option to customize with custom CSS design and buttons as needed. Then click on the Next button. Here, add cookie notice layout content in the title, message, buttons, boxes, etc. Also, tweak the already given example aligned with your goal. Now, in the cookie preference sections, add content for the title, overview, toggle on button to show Google privacy policy in the cookie notice, then more and click Next to move to the Manager tab. In the general setting, toggle buttons to enable force reload and cookie removal. Then set the number of days for cookie consent expiry as needed. In the cookie list settings, customize different categories of cookies. Click on the edit icon to edit the category name and description. Click on the plus Add New button to add custom cookies. Insert a cookie ID. Choose where to add the script from the drop-down options. Add scripts and descriptions. Then click on the Save button. Besides adding custom cookies, click on the three dots option on a cookie to re-edit or delete the notice when needed. Now click on Next. In the Customize tab, adjust the visibility settings and set a time to delay before the appearance of the cookie notice. Now click on the Publish button to make it live, and this is how you configure Cookie Notice with Notification X. Let's have a look at the cookie notice we just set and how it will appear to your site visitor, and choose their preference of cookies allowed based on their comfort level. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to get more useful videos like this one.